Did those mandrills just build a bridge? Nah, no way. Yo, this is insane. Just look at how they're working together, like they knew someone's life was on the line. I've seen animals help their own kind before, but helping humans, especially an ambulance trying to save a life, that's next level. You can actually see the urgency in their moves. Like they understand what's at stake. I don't even know how to explain this. Nature never stops surprising me. These mandrills didn't just act wild, they acted wise. That's true teamwork right there.